Aloha there. This is Darcy Frankel. Congratulations. You are truly serious about your health. You've completed the Serious Cleanse 30-day challenge. You showed up every day, you read the lessons, completed your cleansing practices, and you participated fully. I am so proud of you. You now have a clean, refreshed body, mind, home, and emotions. Wow! So now you get to move on to the next phase, which is rejuvenation and sustaining your gains. Today you have your last lesson called post-detoxification. It will help you to gracefully end this cleanse and integrate into a healthier lifestyle. Now you get to compare each check-in, and especially the first and the last ones. So sometimes we can be hard on ourselves for not living up to our own high expectations. When this is the case, we need to learn to accept the concept of good enough. So I'll ask you, did you do good enough? I think you did. I know you did. Listen, you could go back and review any lesson at any time. People do it all the time. And I'll be upgrading the lessons too, because there's new science coming out all the time. All right, there's a couple things left to talk about. So now I want you to take a few moments to review and to plan ahead. What's your food plan moving forward? Remember, you can always refer back to all the recipes in the food guide. Go ahead and keep taking the heavy metal and chemical cleanse supplement until they're finished. Then go ahead and send in your hair samples so you can retest and see how you did. Remember, keep eating clean, organic, grass-fed, pasture-raised foods like forever. And to keep your body clean and clear and avoid toxins and buildup in the future, I'd like for you to schedule a Serious Cleanse protocol quarterly. Now, remember, you'd only need to refill the Serious Cleanse body mask and the Tulsi Cleanse tea. You have everything else that you need. You can also do the skin and lymphatic cleansing anytime you want, forever. And finally, tell us about your Serious Cleanse wins. Show off how good you did with your hair test and compare the difference. Tell us on the Facebook group, what was your biggest hurdle with the Serious Cleanse and how did you surmount that? Now, I won't see you tomorrow, but be in touch. Be in touch through our Facebook group. I will keep in touch. New research is coming out all the time. Now, I only offer consultations periodically, and I will let you know first. Now, be on the lookout for my next cleanse, which is called the Breast Cleanse, and the Serious Cleanse Retreat 2020, right here on Kauai. I have to say, I've enjoyed each and every moment with you. Good luck on your journey. Be in touch just as much or as little as you'd like. With so much aloha, this is Darcy coming to you from Kauai.